So Freddie,
What?
do you remember where we're going?
Yeah.
I'll go. Portugal. We're on jet 2.
Yeah. No, just...
Freddie, are you wanting to wiggle me ears? Is that it?
No.
So Tom knows how, Sally, look.
Yeah.
We've come in Wales for an holiday. Got a very good relationship, haven't we?
Yeah.
So, you gonna read it, Freddie, or are you gonna... So up Candy and Pedro and Grandad have sat on a few other seats back there.
What? I don't want to talk, so don't let it go.
Okay.
Oh, fat.
What?
Oh, fat.
Oh, Freddie. All drinks you can have and then all that. Freddie. What are you gonna choose?
Probably a full fat Pepsi.
Alright. So it's gonna be... Freddie, stop. Right, do you wanna say bye?
Yeah, fine.